Hyperspace episode summary on X, AI, nodes and network discovery. This was one of the densest and most revealing episodes in months. CEO Tufi Saliba, along with hosts Anthonis and Ethan, delivered technical updates, ultra-high-level institutional partnerships, and above all, a crystal-clear picture of HyperCycle's current stage and what's coming in the next 3 to 12 months. The most sensitive/important/controversial TOPCS Korea plus UAE deal. $250 million in cash plus $200 million buyback guarantee. $225 million injected by Korean consortium plus $25 million from HyperCycle UAE. $200 million backstop, buyback guarantee. Any node factory bought by their clients has a guaranteed minimum price of $5,000 or up to $10,850 with C8 once the first L9 node is released. Impact creates a real price floor for node factories, drastically reduces downside risk for holders, and attracts institutional and government investors. Probably the biggest de-risking event in the project's history, third-party certified valuations already coming in above $5,000 per raw node factory. Official valuations in progress. Once completed, they unlock similar deals in other countries. Impact. Each new report multiplies the size of the backstop that can be offered in new territories from $200 million to potentially billions. That HyperCycle node network will be one of the 3 largest on the planet, behind only the traditional internet and telecom networks. Already 700 node factory owners. Realistic projection of 50 to 60K by 2026. 20K already sold via a group representing 20,000 entities. Impact. Brutal network lock-in. The more geographically distributed owners, the harder it is for any competitor to replicate. Pre-sale of future nodes, L9, L8, already happening at $10 to $50 today, delivery in 1 to 2 years. Real companies, doctors, security firms, car dealerships, etc., are paying in advance for nodes that don't even exist yet. Extremely positive impact. Real, immediate demand, not speculation. Proof that the objective utility thesis is working. Ideas marketplace plus AI market, pre-Christmas, possibly before Christmas 2025. 2 sides. A. External public, ready-made packages for humans, e.g., car dealership software plus embedded HyperCycle node for $14,000 instead of $1,000 from competitors. B. Internal, only for node factory owners. Community posts raw ideas. Others build prototypes, critique, improve, and launch together. Impact turns passive holders into active entrepreneurs. Creates an internal innovation flywheel that no other decentralized AI project has. Objective reality value of the nodes. Tufi's big philosophical technical thesis. A HyperCycle node carries cryptographic proof of its entire history, provenance, from the mother node factory. In a world where 2 identical AIs compete, the one with the HyperCycle node wins 100% of the time because it is objectively superior, even if only by 0.0001%. Impact, the definitive argument against why not just use the normal internet. This is why Google, A2A, Microsoft, Cisco, NVIDIA, etc. are building exactly what HyperCycle already had ready 2 years ago. Less relevant, but still interesting topic. HyperPG management service. Free and stable tilling, 98 to 99% uptime. Revenue still low due to few real node activations. Focus now on scaling activations plus improving accounting software. The IOAI ProDev program. 8-minute course. Already live, restricted to factory owners. Runs real directory service nodes on AWS, free tier. Generates small real revenue. The CBNO, community beta and node operator. 20-plus technical members running node manager on own/HPC hardware. Excellent feedback. Path to general node manager release. Affiliate program. Launches Monday. USDC commission for bringing node factory buyers. HyperY, YMCA app with 65 million beneficiaries. Already in pilot in several locations. Needs massive compute, potentially billions in hardware. Personal opinion and conclusion. This was the episode where HyperCycle definitively left crypto mode and entered global critical infrastructure mode. The most explosive points: real, immediate institutional demand for nodes, not just factories. Governments and consortia putting in hundreds of millions with buyback guarantees. The upcoming internal marketplace has the potential to turn 1,700 passive holders into thousands of AI micro companies. Remaining risks: marketplace execution, dependency on L9/L8 node release, competition from giants who are copying the vision but still lack the decentralized plus provenance part. Final take: HyperCycle is living that extremely rare moment when narrative, technology, and macroeconomic timing, AI agent boom plus need for trusted compute internet, align perfectly. Anyone who understood the objective reality value thesis in 2023 to 2024 is now sitting on an asset that has every chance of becoming one of the biggest real utility wealth creation stories of the decade. If the marketplace launches before Christmas and the first use cases, medicine, dealerships, Hollywood, etc., start appearing in 2026, the upside is literally unlimited. We are very, very close to the inflection point.